Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find and target block IDs in Squarespace. This is incredibly useful when you want to customize specific elements on your site with custom CSS, allowing you to style individual blocks without affecting your entire page layout. First, open your browser and search for Squarespace ID Finder. This is a browser extension that makes finding block IDs much simpler than trying to inspect elements manually through developer tools. Once you've found it in the search results, click on the browser extension link. You'll want to install it and add it to your browser extensions. This extension will become your go-to tool for quickly identifying any block, section, or collection ID you need to target in your custom CSS. Now that the extension is installed, let's head back to your Squarespace site to see it in action. Navigate to your Squarespace dashboard and look for the Custom CSS option. You'll typically find this under the Custom Code section in your site settings. Click on Custom CSS to open the editor, where you'll be able to add your styling code. With the CSS editor open, it's time to activate the Squarespace ID Finder extension. Simply click on the extension icon in your browser toolbar to turn it on. Once activated, you'll immediately notice that the extension starts displaying useful information across your page. The extension will now show you the collection ID, section IDs, and most importantly, block IDs for every element on your page. This visual overlay makes it incredibly easy to identify exactly which block you want to target without any guesswork or digging through code. Now let's test this out by clicking on a specific block ID. When you click it, the ID will be automatically copied to your clipboard. This saves you time and ensures you're copying the exact ID without any typos. Go ahead and paste it into your custom CSS field. With the block ID pasted, let's create some custom CSS to see how this works in practice. For example, you could add a background color by typing something like background color your chosen color. This is just one simple example, but you can use any CSS property you want to completely customize that specific block. And there you have it. You can see it's working perfectly. The custom CSS is now targeting only that specific block ID you selected, leaving all other elements on your page untouched. Using the Squarespace ID Finder extension makes the entire process of finding and targeting block IDs straightforward and efficient, giving you precise control over your site's design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.